Welcome to War India News Hour. Once 5G is available, 40 million smartphone users will upgrade to it in the first year. Consumers in India are willing to pay 50% more for 5G plans with bundled digital services compared to just 10% premium for 5G connectivity. India has the biggest rise in intention to upgrade, with 67% users expressing an intention to take up 5G once it is available, an increase of 14 percentage points over 2019. 7 in 10 potential early adopters of 5G in India expect higher speeds than 4G, while 6 in 10 expect pricing innovation from communication services products like 5G data sharing between family members or across devices. 5G ready smartphone users in India already spend more time on enhanced video and multiplayer mobile gaming. Consumers predict spending 7.5 to 8 hours per week on XR apps by 2025. COVID-19 lockdowns and movement restrictions mean that the vast majority of 5G early adopters' regular experience with the technology have been indoors. As a result, early adopters indicate that indoor coverage is 2 times more important than speed or battery life in delivering satisfactory 5G experiences. Experts say at least 40 million smartphone users in India could take up 5G in the first year of 5G being made available. This new generation of products will be created using aggregated data and building on this consumer analysis. Banks can leverage APIs to open new distribution channels and accelerate their continuous delivery of innovation. Financial players can acquire and retain customers with tailor-made personalized offerings. The migration of core infrastructure to a resilient and scalable platform on this cloud is necessary. Let's look into today's headline in War India. Delhi CM makes big announcement for families, kids hit hard by COVID-19. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, said that the Delhi government will bear the cost of education and the upbringing of children orphaned by the pandemic. Addressing a press conference, Kejriwal said the number of fresh COVID-19 cases has come down to around 8,500 and the positivity rate has dipped to around 12%. But the fight against the coronavirus has not ended and there is no room for leniency. I know many children who have lost both their parents. I want to tell them that I am still there. Don't consider yourself an orphan. This government will take care of their studies and upbringing, Kejriwal said. This brings a great moral relief to many. Satin has warned users about the fake apps masquerading as COVID. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, Satin, has issued a warning about a fake SMS message claiming to offer an app to let users register for COVID-19 vaccine. The message carries a link that installs the malicious app on Android devices, Satin said. The agency also said the app also gained unnecessarily permissions that attackers could leverage to acquire these data, such as contact list. Walmart to acquire G-Kit, an Israel-based virtual fitting room startup. Walmart has announced its plan to acquire Israel-based virtual fitting room startup G-Kit. The startup allows consumers to virtually try on clothing when shopping online. As part of the deal, G-Kit's founder will join Walmart and Walmart will halt G-Kit's work with other apparel retailers, a representative said. However, the financial terms of the deal were not disclosed. Paytm to acquire 7% stake in SoftBank-owned PayPay Japan. PayPay Japan was founded in 2018 and has about 40 million users carrying about 2 billion transactions annually. PayPay is run by a joint venture between SoftBank and Yahoo Japan. With Paytm as the technology partner, Paytm is likely to get about 7% stake in QR code-based payment business by PayPay Japan almost 2 years after Paytm India has given the call option to convert its holding into shares. Rachel Mushawar joins AWS as America's Channel and Partner Chief. Mushawar has previously worked for Intel Corporation for more than 6 years. Most recently as Vice President and General Manager of US Sales Enterprise, Government and Next Wave Cloud Providers. Mushawar shares 4 AWS priorities: acquiring tomorrow's customers, accelerating migrations, capturing new workloads and inclusion diversity, and equity. Mushawa refers to her new AWS role as an opportunity to a lifetime. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.